Season 2. Since our last cooking show. So, yeah, welcome to season 2. But right now we're currently driving to Payless. And Annie, do you want to tell them what we're making?
Wait, I actually forget. It's peppermint brownie cookies.
Yes, we are making rookies with white chocolate and peppermint bark. That's not right.
What are we making?
We're making Merry Christmas!
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christmas Day. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and
Welcome back to the Pookies Are we saying that was good? Pookies cookie or Pookie?
Okay.
And welcome back to the
a 3-part holiday series.
This is part 1.
So today we are making rookies
That's brownies and cookies, but they had a baby.
dipped in white chocolate and crushed peppermint.
I didn't know that.
I didn't know that either.
We've been talking about this entire time.
Never mentioned that it was going to be dipped in white chocolate. Can you turn around for me?
We have someone very, very special to introduce. It's our dog, Benny.
He doesn't like to be picked up. He's like actually about to take my eye out. Okay.
Annika, we need 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. I'll get 1 1/4 cups of white sugar. And Paige, you're gonna get a 1/2 cup of coconut oil melted. Me too. We're gonna put all of our wet ingredients plus sugar, because the science works that way, in 1 bowl, and all the dry ones in another bowl. I bought it on you.
I actually have gas.
I bought it in the naughty store. Fun.
You like actually just took my eye out.
I don't know what I did.
No more fighting. It's Christmas.
I was giving you
It's Christmas. Okay, Annika, you're gonna take a little. You're gonna dump a little bit of the dry ingredients into the single stream at a time.
Okay,
Just a little bit at a time.
Oh, maybe out of the pouring part.
Dump that, girly. Until it becomes dough. These are cookies, right? Yeah.
Oh,
They're brookies.
do I just keep going?
You want me to be the dumper and you be the stirrer?
This is the Pookie cooking show, not the Leanna and Annika cooking show.
Oh my goodness.
Technically.
No.
That looks awesome, Annika. Gosh. Thank you. There's not enough Christmas spirit. Kiss the cook.
You guys, Leanna took all of Benny's poop and just started playing with it in this bowl.
Cocoa powder does not want to mix. It's really dry. I want a hot dog real bad. Did you just see my eye shake?
No.
Oh gosh. My hands are gonna.
Any stained poop.
You don't know the crinkle cookies?
Well, they're not gonna.
When they cook, I have no idea.
I got that one kind of wet.
They go in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes.
They're done!
It's okay.
A double broiler is where you put.
Oh!
You make
It's a
boiling-
cauldron! Oh, can I please mix that?
You may.
Whenever I use a double boiler, it doesn't do that.
Whenever I use one, it tells me whimsical wishes.
I'm okay. I'm gonna wait.
Is it because you hate me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you guys, it's getting really good. Oh, shoot.
By the way, the cookie. Now it's time to decorate.
Decorating,
So we-
decorating.
Okay, so we chilled our cookies in the freezer for just a little bit, and we melted our chocolate on the double broiler, and we have our candy canes crushed up in here.
Like this. Okay, was I not doing that?
It's in you.
And now it's time for
Scary Paige.
the part of the show.
Paige is scary.
Because I'm waiting for you to tell me what to do. Okay, that's how this always works. I have a They're sitting right there.
I haven't done anything.
Hey, do you want to start?
No.
I'll do.
Cheers. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy Father Christmas. Oh, it's pretty good.
God bless us, everyone.
And they used to say it was impossible to teach women to read. Follow me.
So that just took me.
This has been the Pookies Cooking Show! Holiday Extravaganza episode. Oh. Merry Christmas.